Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day on a vegetarian keto diet. So I have done this diet before, so I do have some ideas on what I want to eat in a day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I'm going to share those ideas with you in this type of videos. So to begin my day with, I have a glass of warm water and I'm going to add juice from half of a lime and I'm going to drink it up. If you don't like limes or if you don't have limes, you can add lemon juice or you can also do apple cider vinegar. Just make sure when you're drinking apple cider vinegar, you use a straw, otherwise your teeth are going to get affected. So I'm going to drink this and then I'm going to see you for breakfast.
So the time is 6:30 in the morning and I'm writing my to-do list. Sometimes I go out in the backyard and just enjoy the view, and sometimes I watch TV. It all depends upon my mood. But the before night I forgot to write my to-do list. So I'm just filling out the things to do for the day and drinking the lime water.
So now the time is 7:30 and I'm feeling little hungry. So I'm going to make breakfast. So for breakfast today I'm going to make cauliflower upma. It is very easy to make and I'm going to show you how to make it.
Cauliflower upma, I have taken few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of peanuts. So some people do not like to have peanuts in keto diet, but for me I like to eat them in moderation. So I took 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, half of a tomato, which is going to be 1/4 cup of tomato, and I have some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves for garnish, and I have 1/4 cup of edamame or soybeans. So some people do not like to have soy products in their diet, so that's completely fine. Choose alternatives. You can add carrots or green peas, but just be careful of the macros because they have some carbs. So make sure you are accountable on the macros. So I have taken a non-stick pan on medium heat and I'm going to add ghee. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. You can also add butter or you can also add oil. Whatever you feel like adding, you can add it. So once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add the seasonings, mustard seeds and cumin seeds, turmeric powder, peanuts, curry leaves and ginger. Fry well till peanuts become golden brown. So now peanuts are fried very well. I'm going to add green chilli and onions. Fry well till onions turn translucent. The onions are fried very well. I'm going to add the tomato. Fry very well till the tomato gets nice and mushy. The tomatoes are nice and mushy. I'm going to add the soybeans. And I'm going to cook well. I'm going to cover the pan with a lid and cook till the soybeans are done. So after a couple of minutes, soybeans are cooked very well. Now I'm going to add the riced cauliflower. So I have riced cauliflower. This is around 1.5 cups of cauliflower. Mix well. So now I'm going to add little bit salt. Mix it well. So now you can cook it in open flame or you can put a lid. So I'm going to put a lid and cook till cauliflower oozes little water. So let's check on the cauliflower. So it looks good to me. It has the perfect texture and the cauliflower is also cooked well. So now I'm going to add some black pepper and also add some lime juice. Mix well. Check for salt, and if it needs more salt, definitely add some salt and turn off the heat. Also don't forget to garnish with some cilantro or coriander leaves. So let's take this into a serving plate.
This is the cauliflower upma, guys. It looks super delicious, doesn't it? And I'm ready to dig into the hot cauliflower upma, and I'm going to see you soon. Probably I'm going to drink some keto chai. I already have the recipe on my channel, but I'm going to show you if I drink it or not, and then I will probably see you at lunch.
This cauliflower upma came out super delicious, guys. You have to trust me on this and you have to try it. It has around 9 grams of net carbs, and if it's too much for you, you can reduce the amount of onions and also skip the peanuts. I'll have the full printable recipe with macros in the description box below, so please do check it out and don't forget to try it. So the time is now 8:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm enjoying my hot cauliflower upma. So here I have added soybeans, but if you don't like soybeans, then you can add carrots, you can also add beans, or you can also add chopped broccoli. Basically you can add any low carb vegetable of your choice. So I have decided to make keto chai. Now the time is 10 o'clock and I'm going to drink this tea, and it's going to keep me full till lunch, and if I'm feeling hungry in between, I'm going to snack on something and I'm going to show it to you. So I'm drinking my keto chai and also working on the free printable for you guys. It is a printable of all the vegetarian foods you can have on keto diet. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can download it.
It's now 1 o'clock and I'm feeling hungry, but I was so busy making the free printable for you guys. So I'm making a printable for vegetarian foods that you can eat in keto diet. So I was busy in making that, so I didn't prepare my lunch. So now I'm going to prepare my lunch, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to have this cheese stick, and it has less than 1 gram of net carb, so that's good. So I'm going to eat this and prepare my lunch. I'm going to make chili paneer for my lunch. I already have the recipe on my channel for chili paneer. I'll make sure to link it below in the description box, so do check it out. And once I make my chili paneer, I'm going to show it to you. So I'm cooking my chili paneer now, and I just wanted to tell you that don't forget to drink your water. Take a notes and make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day, because on keto diet you're going to lose a lot of electrolytes. So it's very important for you to replenish your water inside the body. So if you don't like drinking plain water, just drink with some lemon or lime, or you can even drink unsweetened black tea or green tea, or even any herbal teas. So just wanted to mention that.
As you can see, my lunch is done. It's keto chili paneer and it looks absolutely delicious, and I'm going to start eating this in a minute. But before that, I just want to say, even if you are making dish for yourself, take that extra step and garnish your food, because it's going to make a difference. Your experience is going to be way better, and appreciate that you made this dish for yourself, for your own health. So that's what I want to say before I begin my lunch. So it's around 4 o'clock in the evening and I'm feeling little bit hungry and I want to eat something sweet. So I'm having frozen berries. So there are raspberries, blueberries and blackberries here. So I'm going to let it thaw for a couple of minutes and then eat them. So for dinner I made keto coconut rotis. It also had some flax seeds in it. So this is my first time making them and I don't think they are perfect, but they came out super delicious and I'm going to post the recipe once I perfect them. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see, they are so flexible, soft and like I said, so delicious as well. So with the keto coconut rotis, I made sandwiches. So I had cream cheese, cucumber, tomato, salt and pepper. They are so delicious, simple and filling. So the time is around 9 o'clock in the night and I'm going to have this yummy dinner. And I also have some leftover cucumbers and tomatoes. So those are going to be my side salad. And I forgot to tell you that evening I had tea again because I was having keto flu and headaches. So I had to have keto chai and I also had my multivitamins. So I hope this video was useful to you, and also do let me know in the comments below if you like to see more what I eat in a day videos or just the recipe videos, because recipe videos take less time and effort when compared to what I eat in a day videos. So I just want to get your feedback. And also please do subscribe to my channel and give a big like to this video, and it really supports my channel. And don't forget to check the description box below. I have the printable recipes of cauliflower upma, keto chili paneer and keto chai. And also don't forget to download the free printable list, which I will link in the description box below as well. And I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.